I'm just doing a video because I don't think that people without kids really understand. This is my kids' playroom. Okay, look at this. Look how absolutely destroyed it is, right? It's destroyed. Do you know how long it takes them to do this? Honestly, I'm not even exaggerating here. I had it completely clean. And of course it's not going to stay spotless. I mean, I have 2 kids. That's fine. You know, that's life when you have kids, right? But look at this. And my kids, I wouldn't even say that they're complete tornadoes, but I guess maybe they kind of are. Honestly, within 10 minutes. And my kids are 1 and 6. So it's not really so much my 6-year-old as it is my 1-year-old. His nickname is Mr. Tornado. So not only does he just immediately destroy all of his stuff, he takes all of his sister's stuff and just literally throws it all around the room. So I'm making this video for other parents just to see where I fit in. How long does it take for your toddler or kids to make a completely spotless room look like this? Honestly, 10 minutes here. 10 minutes for this. I mean, what happened? I was in the room the whole time. I was on my phone working, but I was in here the whole time. It's like the tornado just swept through. So, anyone else in a similar situation, no matter what you do, this one is literally right behind me, undoing everything that I'm doing. And I love him. I love him.